Welcome to this video tutorial. We are going to be looking at the pictures. Click on the picture under the insert menu. Insert picture menu will come. Locate the picture folder, then select the picture. So I'm going to locate the picture inside the pictures folder. So I'm going to select this picture right now and click insert. So immediately you paste the picture on the page, Microsoft will bring out the format picture tools. So with this, you can play around with the picture, adjust the picture, and give the picture some features. So this point from here, 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 you can easily adjust the picture by click and drag. Just click and drag it across the picture. So when it turns to this star, that means you can click and drag to move the picture from this place to another place if at all. Then if you need to reduce the size or increase the size, it is professionally advised to click from here to adjust it, or click from this angle or this angle or this angle, rather than clicking from here and here and here and here. So when you click here, it alters the size and give the image another shape. But when you click from here, you maintain the image size. All you need to do is to adjust it while the shape is intact. So we have remove background. So what we use this to is to remove the background of an image. So in some cases, it's not usually effective. So it is advised to use other applications to remove background. So if it's okay, I'm going to click OK. But I'm going to undo, Control Z, undo to return it to the normal image. So I have correction. I can adjust the sharpness, and I can pick from the list of the brightness as well to select a preferred one. So undo, I'm going to leave it the way it is. So the same thing goes for the color. You can decide to take it to black and white, or to take it to this color entirely. So compress picture as well. Allow only this image, delete crop area or whatsoever. Then you can change the picture. When you click on change the picture, you are going to replace this picture with another picture of your choice. So when you click on it, click work offline, locate the new picture you want to use to change to this. Okay, I'm going to click on this inside. So you can see we have changed the picture to this one. I'm going to click on do to return my picture to me. So reset picture. Want to reset the picture to the normal size, you click on reset. These are the features that we've been adding to the picture, so you can reset it to the normal size. So this is another picture effect. You can decide to use this or to use this. Okay, so now the picture style, you can decide to add border to the picture and change it to this style or this style or this style in a frame. And this side, the picture border can be edited through here. The color can be changed to this color, and I can decide to reduce the weight to this. So instead of having a big weight, I can reduce the weight to that. I can change the shape to this as well, and change the color to red, reduce the weight to this tiny, change it to the dash or dot. Then this is the picture effect. So I have so many effects of the picture and the picture layout. So it can be changed to any of these layouts. Now the next on the list is the positioning. So the positioning of the picture can be in line with the text. It can be in the top of the text, in the middle, or in the center, in the middle of the text, or in this position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create text. Okay, now this text, I'm going to give this text a certain position. But I want to put the text in this. Okay, let's put it here. So the text will be seated here. Okay, now let's go to the wrap text. So what does this do? It gives the user ability to put the picture either in line with the text, or square, or in tight with the text, or through the text, or put behind the text, or in front and the back of the text. So I'm going to select tight with the text. Now the tight with the text is having the same position with this one, but the difference is that the space or the area that the image is not occupied, a text will move there. So when we move the image, it will move with the text. So it's not like the positioning that the object will just stay in one position while push the text forward. So here I can decide to put to the background. So here it will not disturb the image. It can be in the background of the text. Can you see? So I can decide to put it in the front of the text. It will be in the front of the text without moving the text at all. So when I use square, I'm pushing the text away. Whenever I'm dragging this image, it will put the text away. So when I use tight, it will allow the image to walk overflow the image. The text will overflow the image. Can you see? So when I use bring forward, bring backward, what does the bring forward, bring backward do? So when I have multiple text or multiple objects, so I can easily, let's have two of these objects and change this to this. Now I want to bring this behind to the front. Bring forward, can you see? Send backward. This is what it does. So align, what does the align do? And the rotate. So I have this Control D to double it. I have another one. Now I want to align this object together. All I need to do is to hold Shift key and click the second and the third and come to align. I can align to the left. They will all go to the left. I can align to the center. They will all come to the center. I can align to the right. They will all come to the right. They are of the same size. When you look here, it is aligned from this area. So I can align to the middle. Everything will be in the middle. I can align to the center. Everything will be in the center. So group, what does group do? You want to, if you are joining everything together. So when you click on it, you click on everything together. So like I said, you click, hold Shift key, click the next object, click the next object, then come here and group it. So it is now a single image. The three images are grouped together to become a single image. So that is what group do. To rotate, I can rotate it to 90 degrees, to the left, to the right, vertical rotate, horizontal rotate, or more rotate option, where I can select or input the rotation degree to 32 degrees. So this is the rotation, and this arrow, this it's giving me an opportunity to manually rotate. If I click and drag to rotate to my position. Okay, so I can crop. When I click on crop, I can crop to a shape or crop. Okay, let's crop to the shape. Crop to shape. Right click on it. Come to group on group. Now I want to crop this. Click on crop. Adjust from this angle. I'm cropping to remain this. Click here. So I have only this image. So this is the width of the image. I can increase it. I can increase the height as well. So this is how image works. Thank you. See you in the next video tutorial.